Okay, what a mission. Well, getting the carby off is not the easiest thing in the world. Now you can see in there the green crud. I mean green crud. Just a minute and I'll move some pieces. There's inside the float bowl. Oh, lovely. Lovely stuff. Look at that. Now, I can tell you, 2 years worth of Seafoam. Let me get a bit of that. Two years worth of Seafoam is never going to dissolve that. Now, let me move that out of the way slightly. What I've done there is stuffed paper towel into the cylinder intakes. They look okay inside, but this, and that's only the first one. That's unbelievable amounts of crud. Good God. Now, I haven't taken the cables and things off this yet. And will I? I probably should loosen the whole thing up. I've got the throttle and the choke cables to take off, so I can take the whole thing apart and clean it. I don't know if there's any sense in just cleaning that as it is and putting it back in. That there is plugged up with green crud. With green. I haven't seen green before. Well, like I said, this has been sitting for a year at least, so I don't know what the other one's going to be like. Let's prise it off, shall we, and see. Now, what's the best way of doing this? I'll have to put this down for a moment. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. There we go. Now, I've just lifted that cap clear. Not quite coming clear because of that. There we go. Oh, okay. Okay, and that's the same. In fact, there's no petrol in that at all, that one. That float bowl there's actually got fuel in it, that one's got none in it. So how this baby was running the other day, I don't know. God, is that even worth trying to fix? I don't know. Let's think about this for a while, shall we?